my name is Katherine Greenland from Greenland Consulting, bringing you synergistic solutions for a world in transition. I'm looking forward to joining you on May 23rd for the 2019 CPCA Annual Conference at the Sutton Place Hotel in Vancouver, British Columbia. I've been speaking with your President and CEO, Mr. Gary LaRue, and it sounds like you're all in for a real treat. I will be talking with you about the millennial mindset. According to the Pew Research Center, millennials are now between the ages of 20 and 38 years old, the largest living generation. After this event, you will take away 5 key strategies to captivate the younger generation, including understanding how millennials view the world of work, capitalizing on consumers' differences, and communication strategies to bridge the generational gap. I'll see you there.